The really unique thing about the Bonneville Salt Flats is that you can pretty much come out here in any vehicle and it's just a playground. I mean, it is 12 miles, I think, of smooth, flat ground, which they actually do. It actually is called the Bonneville Speedway. They actually do extremely fast, high-speed races out here. I think there's a few world records that have been set out on the Bonneville Salt Flats. And certainly, if you haven't been here, you've probably seen it on Top Gear or some other automotive-related shows. So you basically come out on this long road that takes you right out into the middle of the Salt Flats, and then the ground is a little rough at the beginning of it, but it just gets harder and harder, and basically now I'm standing on crystal salt. It's just this very coarse material. It is not like pavement at all. You lose traction very easily, which makes it a lot of fun to learn how to control your car in a slide out on the salt. And what better car to learn to control than the 500 horsepower GT3 powered Cayman GT4RS. So rather than bore you with a bunch of stats on the GT4RS, let's just go take it for a spin. So we're out on the Salt Flats, and the first thing you notice is how easy it is to get lost out here. It is a absolutely wild and vast landscape of glistening crystal salt. It's very smooth once you get past the entrance to the park, that access road there. But the thing you want to watch out for is if you go too close to the mountains or too far off the main strip, you probably don't want to take a sports car there, because actually it starts to get more dense and muddy out there, and the terrain changes a little bit. So you want to stay on this main strip. But as far as traction goes, I mean, and also ride quality, out here it's pretty smooth. It's like driving on on a very smooth dirt road, but without all of the dirt flying up behind the car. It's actually very well packed down and flat. The mountains are also phenomenal, especially when the sun is beaming down onto them. They make for such a cool backdrop to this already very alien scene. But the best part about bringing a high-performance car out to the Salt Flats? Watch this. Well, that pretty much sums up the video. Short and sweet. Go bring your car out to the Salt Flats, have a lot of fun, and I highly recommend giving your car a very good car wash afterwards. As you'll see on my car, it is absolutely caked in salt. Now, the nice thing is it is salt, so if you put water on it, it does dissipate pretty quickly, but you definitely want to do your best to get absolutely everything off of the car. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, see you guys later.